And now to the latest on the California wildfires, and today could be a tough one for firefighters. Winds are kicking up again, and some people have been warned they need to be ready to leave if fire moves their way. CBS News shows us the conditions firefighters are facing.
The extreme fire danger is real, with another blaze breaking out last night north of LA in Ventura County, forcing evacuations. Firefighters managed to stop its growth for now, but the fight continues in fire-ravaged Los Angeles.
That's the big piece, is the winds, and they can blow embers, 2 miles away.
There's a red flag warning in effect, with potential wind gusts as high as 70 miles per hour, raising concerns even further inland.
We just ask people, be extra vigilant as we move through yet another round of offshore winds.
Crews are putting out hotspots in the Palisades fire, but as the smoke clears, questions arise. ATF fire investigators were seen at the top of this ridge, a popular hiking destination in the Pacific Palisades, looking for evidence. Officials are also trying to determine if embers from this New Year's Eve fire may have reignited to spark the massive Palisades fire.
Residents who lost property in the Eaton fire in Altadena have filed lawsuits against Southern California Edison, claiming the utility triggered the blaze. The company says the cause of the fire is still under investigation.
A few miles from the front lines, this Malibu beach has transformed into a temporary home base for thousands of firefighters to eat, sleep, and recharge.
We just eat whenever we can because we never know when we're going to have to go up there and fight a fire.
Inmates from California prisons prepare food and coffee.
It's an honor and a privilege to be here, serving the community, paying my debt to society.
A team effort in these devastating fires. Charlie DeMar, CBS News, Los Angeles.